Yay, you made it to step 3. So that means you have refreshed your mind about the prompt. Remember, the prompt is something you're writing about, something that you're good at. You have watched the video before this slide about how to make a plan. So after watching that video, it probably talked a lot about transition words. So I wanted us to make sure that we knew what transition words and how to use them. So if you look at this anchor chart right over here, it says writers connect ideas and sentences with transition words. So in the beginning or your first detail, the transition words that you can use are going to be in green. So there's to begin, first of all, to start, initially, at first, and then first. To go into your second detail and use your second transition word you could also use examples like in addition, besides, another, in fact. Your last detail for you to transition into, you could use in conclusion to sum it up, finally, and lastly. There are other terms down at the bottom if you want to use those also. Now I want to go into what you're going to do next. So after this slide, you're going to go to this slide right here. So in this slide, step 4, making a plan. The directions say take your brainstorming web map and start to put your 4 details in complete sentences, making sure that you are using transition words. So you're going to take your brainstorming map from the other day, and then you're going to type out your sentences in complete sentences using transition words. Okay, I hope that helped. I will check back in later on these slides. Good luck and work hard. Talk to you soon.